Cosmetic and plastic surgery has come a long way, but it's still one of the least regulated areas of treatment, and every year thousands of Australians suffer as a result of medical negligence. So I'm going to highlight cosmetic and plastic surgery negligence along with a few examples to help you understand whether you're eligible to make a claim. Each year in Australia, over 200,000 cosmetic procedures are performed, with just over half being surgical in nature. Unfortunately, for many Australians, the procedures don't always go to plan, and the consequences are devastating, quite often as a direct result of medical negligence. In order to be eligible to make a cosmetic or plastic surgery negligence claim, you need to prove that the treatment was below the standard of care and skill that a reasonable professional would have provided in the same circumstances. You suffered injury or loss as a result of your medical treatment, and your injury or loss could have been avoided if the care had been appropriate. There are a number of reasons why you would make a cosmetic surgery medical negligence claim, and these include: you discover your surgeon or cosmetic professional was inexperienced, unqualified, or even unlicensed. You suffered unreasonable damage, such as scarring or sagging skin. Your medication was incorrectly administered, or you were not warned of any side effects that eventuated. Now, it's important to note that not all cosmetic procedures that end in a poor outcome are the result of negligent treatment, and it's important to know the difference. So let's take a look at a real-life example. In a case that we recently resolved, a client of ours had a nose job done where she was not happy with the outcome. When she looked at her post-op paperwork, she noticed a different doctor's name on the paperwork. When she came to Law Partners, we discovered that her doctor did not actually perform the procedure, but without her consent, supervised a trainee doctor to do the surgery. As a result, we were successful in obtaining all the compensation she was entitled to. On the flip side, had she consented to the trainee doctor performing the procedure and the poor outcome still occurred, then she may not have been eligible to make a claim on the poor outcome alone. Hopefully, this has been helpful to you. But if you're still unsure about cosmetic and plastic surgery negligence claims, or need help with your claim, call Law Partners and have a confidential conversation with one of our specialist medical negligence lawyers today.